Welcome to WordPress. This is basically what WordPress looks like when you first open it up. It could look slightly different depending on who you're hosting with. In this case, it's hosted with Bluehost, which is a web hoster. So it's got Bluehost dashboard and some other options that Bluehost recommends that you add. But if you don't have Bluehost, you might have SiteGround or Flywheel or whoever. You might have a different kind of looking there. But basically, this is what WordPress looks like. It's like any other kind of software. You've got a menu with a bunch of options within those menus. Essentially, WordPress is all about creating pages. Pages are web pages. So if we click on Pages and Add New, it takes us to the Adding a New Page section. And when we're in this page, it's just thinking a little bit, it's just asking us to add a title. So we'll go New Web Page. And this is a page about my new local business. And then pretty much you can add pictures and whatever you like within a page. Once you're done, you click Publish, and then that will publish a web page. So if you've got quite a simple site, you've just got a very basic local business, you might only want 3 or 4 pages and then you're done. Just enough to tell clients, your address and a few photos, maybe a link to your local Facebook page, which you update more frequently, and then you're done. The other thing we update a lot in WordPress is posts. So posts are blog posts. So this is where I'm going to leave this. This is where we might create a article about our business or something. We've got an event coming up or something like that. And a blog post is created the same way. So if we click on Add New, a post is kind of like an article within a page. So we might call this September News. And then we might say, this September we have many events coming up, blah, blah, blah. So we can put a list of all the things we've got coming up, and it can be more of an informational, current, non-main page. So posts and pages are the 2 main things within WordPress that you add. Once again, you click Publish and you go through. There's also, we also have here appearance. So this is where you hear people talk about WordPress themes. Themes is just like, a skin or a cover or clothing that the website wears. So you've got all different types of themes, and then related to the look of your overall site. So if you're a yoga business, you may have like a more, earthy, spiritual type of page, and so there's some themes that are related to that. If you've got a car dealership, you might have more of a dark theme, or some more kind of stronger colors. So depending on what type of site you're building, depends on your theme. They've then got plugins. So plugins are kind of like an app that you can use to increase the functionality of your web page. So they might be an events app, it might be a Facebook streaming app that you can log in, might be apps to speed up your website. So this is where you can add them in and increase the functionality of your WordPress site. You've also got, a section, these are more technical, but some settings that you need to set up when you create your website to start off with, but that's pretty much it. You create your posts, you create your pages, create your posts, and then you pretty much got a website. It may not be flash at that stage, but it gets you off the ground, and that's pretty much how WordPress looks. If you're interested in more information, don't forget to check out my Facebook page. I've got a Facebook page called Website Hints and Tips. It's in the bio, and links in the bio, and you're welcome. It's a very open, non-judgmental place that you can ask questions and can collaborate together on your web projects. Thanks.